Okay, hello everyone. This is Darren Platt from Simplified. We are a company in Boulder, Colorado focused on cloud security. I'm the founder and CTO of the company, and I'd first like to say thank you all for your time today and for joining and hearing what we have to say, and love to hear questions and feedback when we get done. That's part of what we plan to do here, is leave some time at the end for some questions and answers. But I'll be covering, I think, a bit of ground. So if you have any questions, please hold on to them till the end. So really quickly first, I want to tell you a little bit about Simplified. Again, I mentioned we're focused on cloud security. That is our specialty. The three of us on the top of that list, who are the founders of Simplified, had most recently founded a company named Securant, which was acquired by RSA in 2001 and is now their access management product. We also worked on early versions of specs that ultimately were contributed to and became the SAML standard. So we're very familiar with the identity management space, what the approach was before, and what we believe the new approach is to identity management as a service. And what I will be showing you today are some views of what Web Access Management 1.0 was and where Web Access Management is going from there. So here's my agenda in order to, so I am having to reconnect to the event. Oof. Okay, that was kind of strange. Kaz, maybe you could unmute and let me know if you could hear me. I was just booted out of the event, it seems.
Yeah, actually I hear you.
Okay, so did everyone hear the beginning of that, do you think?
Well, you were out for like 10 seconds, I think.
I was where, I'm sorry?
You were out for 5-10 seconds, I think.
Okay. Well, I think I told you enough about the company. If anybody's curious, I'll have some connection information at the end, and we'll look forward to get in touch with me, and we can talk about any of this stuff that's interesting to you. But let's dive into the heart of the presentation here, or the session. Here's the agenda I have for you all today. The first thing I want to talk about is the evolution of the cloud and identity and access management systems. Sort of show you some phases that I believe the industry is going through. The second thing I want to talk about is the adoption, or the challenges end users are facing in adopting the cloud. And the third thing I'll talk to you about is really the heart of the presentation, which is how identity and access management can be delivered as a cloud service, and what that how that benefits organizations today as opposed to the more traditional model. So first, let's look at sort of set the stage for this conversation and talk about the evolution of access management systems and really the problem domain we're faced here with on-demand identity and the problems that